Hi, I'm Dr. Jim Siebert. It's time for the tropical forecast here on YouTube and Fox 26 Houston. Okay, well, we still have a tropical storm right here in the middle. And if you look, you can see the low pressure. It's easy to pick it out. The interesting thing is, though, we've got a lot more shower activity elsewhere. But this is where the storm system is. So we're talking about Wanda. It was a subtropical storm yesterday. It did gain tropical characteristics, so it truly is a tropical storm at this point with winds at 50 miles per hour. Currently heading up to the north at 9. Expected to kind of wiggle as we head on into the weekend and possibly will also weaken, which is kind of to be expected for this time of year that storm systems typically don't stay that long. However, it is interesting that the circulation has gained some momentum. Now, yesterday, the National Hurricane Center started looking at this area and saying, well, there might be a 10% chance that something could form, but then today they dropped that completely. And if you look carefully, see how the clouds are blowing in this direction, and they're really strong. So we have some good convection going on, but the upper level winds way too strong to allow anything to form. Now, as you come over here into the Caribbean, they were also tracking this area yesterday, gave it a 10% chance for the next 5 days. And just like the other one, they dropped it today as well. Upper level winds are strong. In fact, this is interesting. The upper level winds aloft are traveling more to the north and east. If you look very carefully, closer to the ground, the showers are actually moving more to the south and to the west. So we're actually seeing opposite direction with the winds. Okay, that's massive wind shear. When you have that, you might have some showers, but you're certainly not going to have any tropical development with that. Gulf of Mexico is as quiet as it can be. So is the eastern Atlantic at this point. If you look up here also between Wichita and Dallas, that is a strong cold front, Pacific cold front working its way across the country. So all of these things combined mean not much is expected, tropically speaking. And we would expect that. Now that we are in November, it really drops off as far as any tropical development. That doesn't mean that it's impossible, but I mean, like right now, we do have Wanda that's going on, but the conditions, upper level winds, water temperatures cool in the oceans, it's going to be more on the quiet side from here on out. So that's today's update. A little bit quieter, except for Wanda, of course, out in the middle. It really isn't going to do anything to anybody in the middle of the Atlantic. We'll see you next time.